So, you're thinking of getting a YouTrip card, huh? That's a smart move. But, before you dive in, let's talk about the real question: what currencies does YouTrip actually support? You see, one of the biggest perks of a multi-currency card like YouTrip is the freedom to spend in various currencies without the hefty fees. But, it's crucial to know which currencies are on the menu. After all, you wouldn't want to be caught in a foreign land, card in hand, only to realize your preferred currency isn't supported. The core, YouTrip's currency powerhouse. YouTrip is a digital powerhouse when it comes to currency support. They've got a pretty extensive list, covering major and minor currencies across the globe. Here's a quick breakdown of the key currencies you can use with YouTrip. Major currencies: think US dollars, euros, British pounds, Australian dollars, Canadian dollars, and Singapore dollars. These are the bread and butter of international travel, and YouTrip has you covered. Asian currencies: from the bustling streets of Tokyo to the vibrant markets of Bangkok, YouTrip supports a wide range of Asian currencies. This includes Japanese yen, Thai baht, Indonesian rupiah, Malaysian ringgit, and more. Other popular currencies: YouTrip doesn't stop at the big players. They also support a variety of other popular currencies, such as Swiss francs, New Zealand dollars, South African rand, and even the humble Hong Kong dollar. Beyond the basics, the YouTrip advantage. While the list of supported currencies is impressive, it's not the only thing that makes YouTrip stand out. Here's what sets them apart. Real-time exchange rates. YouTrip uses real-time exchange rates, ensuring you get the best possible deal on your currency conversions. No hidden fees. YouTrip is transparent about its fees. There are no hidden charges or surprise fees to worry about. Easy-to-use app. The YouTrip app is user-friendly and makes it easy to manage your finances while you're on the go. So, does YouTrip have the currency you need? In most cases, yes. YouTrip offers a wide range of currencies to cater to the needs of the modern traveler. However, it's always a good idea to check the latest information on YouTrip's official website or app to ensure the currency you need is supported. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.